How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. Now, here on the channel, I've reviewed a bunch of different gaming mice where we're always trying to find that new best high performance, most comfortable mouse out there to own all of the noobs online. But have you ever really thought of why we use mice? I mean, when I was growing up, I never really used a mouse. I used a pen and paper to do all of my work. I grew up with that. That was what I was comfortable with. And then later on, I kind of switched to a mouse. But I mean, once you've used a pen, you never really go back. You can't really forget that. It's like riding a bike, even though I have fallen off my bike again after I haven't ridden it for like 5 years. So maybe it's not the same thing, but I mean, you still kind of got used to using a pen and paper if you're kind of my age or older. I don't know about the younger generation, they probably use holograms and stuff like that, but for most of us, we used a pen and paper, and that was what we were used to. So why not use a pen to do all of your work on your computer and also game with it? And that is where the pen mouse comes in, which might be the next big thing. I do believe that all of the big streamers and gaming YouTubers will end up using this because it's just so comfortable in your hand. You have so much more control. Your fingers is just perfectly placed, and I am talking just a whole lot of crap. And yeah, I don't really know where I was going with this. So yeah, I just kind of saw this thing online and I thought I'd actually want to try it out, see how it is to game with, because it's a pen. Honestly, how good could a pen be to game on? I don't really understand. I know there's like the graphic design pens where they have more control over that, but for gaming, I'm not really too sure. So I actually bought this just to try it out, see if it's actually any good, which I honestly, I don't know. I don't think it will be, but I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna jump into a few games, see how it actually performs, and if it's maybe the next big thing. I don't really think so, but yeah, we're gonna find out. Alrighty, so for our first game, we are going to use CSGO. Got one kill, died as well. So we're off to a brilliant start too. Actually doing better than I thought. I thought I would actually die instantly. But of course I'm not a pro, but I do believe that this pen mouse is going to turn me into a pro. It's going to enhance my accuracy tenfold so that I can just get headshots all around and become a pro. Yeah, that's definitely going to happen. I'm going to become the best and nobody's going to be able to stop me. And never mind then. That was hackings. That was hackings. He was hacking. So got two. Oh yeah. Next up, who is my next victim? Somebody over there. Got him long range actually. Like the oof. Like I'm also curious to see how the the aiming would actually work if I use like the AWP. Would I actually be able to snipe anybody with that? I know you're up there. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay, got two. But that I feel was beginner's luck. But now we're going to ace all of them. I would say once it's actually you aim down, you have actually a lot of control. You just kind of have to aim down first. Alright, so jumping into our second game, I can already feel that my fingers are getting a bit sweaty, where I'm going to lose a lot of grip. So again, this thing does not have any padding or any like rubber grip on it, so it's completely smooth. Got him in the air. That's how you do it. Nobody can beat me. Like I said, this thing is making me a pro. Just look at that guy. Died and I died. Bold man got me. Damn you, bold man. Damn you. Thank you for saving me. Gotcha. See? See? Jinx didn't stand a chance. Ah! Bye-bye, Jinx. You had no chance against the power. Oh yeah, check that. Owned power of the plain mouse. It's my sucky skills. It's not the mouse that sucks. It's me. I kinda first have to fuse with the mouse. Predict what it is doing. It should guide my hands. At the moment, I am kinda resisting, and I shouldn't. That's the only reason that I'm dying. But no more. Now I shall follow the guides of the mouse. Alright. You know what? You know what? I've had enough of this. I've had enough. Now it's just time to die, all of you. That did not happen. Just skip that in editing. Cut that out. Do this again. Now, you're all going to die. Definitely not me. Gotcha! In the face. I saw you over here. Come for you. Hackings, that's all it is again. Gotcha. Gotcha. Alright. Let's do this!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa, damn it! Okay, no, that did not go as planned. It's not fair. Spawn hacking. It's all four of them in the same place. Alright, so jumping into our second game, unfortunately, Battlefield 5's open beta has ended. I thought it was going on till tomorrow, but guess I was wrong. So we're playing some Fortnite, a game which I am so good in, as you guys can see, with my default skin, and then also my very nice, almost 200 ping. It's awesome. I love it so much. I'm gonna get so many kills. And first up, we have a chest right here. Great. What do I get? Got a FAMAS. Awesome. I got one. Now, who's next? It's hard to aim with this. Let's go save our buddies. Gotcha, you bastard. You don't shoot at my buddies. Gotcha. Okay, he doesn't have any trap set, which is awesome. There's somebody way over there. It's so hard to aim. So actually, once you're aimed down, the accuracy you have isn't too bad. Ooh, is come on, reload, reload. I am owning these guys with my sneaky maneuvers. Got him, headshots all the way. That's how you... No! No! Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're mean. Okay. That is it. Building, not my type of tea. And then actually once you aim down sight, it wasn't too bad. I actually had pretty good accuracy. So that's pretty much that. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Now, from my experience playing with the paint mouse, this is honestly the next big thing. I do now believe that all of the major pro players and everything is going to switch to this if they play with really bad noobs like 2-year-olds. Then yeah, you're gonna own everybody. Maybe there's like really good 2-year-olds. I don't really know. But yeah, it was quite an experience. Now, when you were aiming down the side, you actually had pretty good accuracy because, I mean, you do have a bit more control over that, and especially playing at a lower DPI. But other than that, it was quite a bit hard moving around, turning, doing quick turns. It was a struggle, but it was fun nonetheless, and it's wireless, so there was a bit of latency. But in the end, yeah, it was fun. But I wouldn't really recommend that you go out and buy something like this, even though this is a pretty cheap one. I don't think it's gonna be like the best thing if you want to go pro. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment like always. Also, let me know if you want me to use a different thing to game with, something weird. Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see if I can play around with that for a bit. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.